Today, we are breaking down the hidden gems of 2026 stock market. Here are 3 tiers of companies the AI model identified as hidden gems for 2026, along with their investment risk and upside potential. Let's start with our Tier 1, highest conviction picks. These are companies with low investment risk and good upside potential. While everyone is fighting over AI chips, they are ignoring the single biggest bottleneck: electricity. US data center demand is projected to nearly double by 2030. Here we are looking at companies like Vistra and Constellation Energy, the largest US nuclear energy operator, which just secured a massive deal with Microsoft to restart 3 Mile Island. We have also GE Vernova for gas turbines and Eaton for electrical equipment. And speaking of data centers, they are running hot, literally. The new AI server racks generate up to 10 times the heat of older models. Air cooling is dead. Liquid cooling is now mandatory. Keep your eyes on Vertiv, a pure play in heat management, and Modine Manufacturing as a smaller cap pick. Also in Tier 1, we have small and mid-cap value, stocks that are trading at their cheapest relative valuations since the late 90s. Broad ETFs, like IJR, are direct beneficiaries of every Federal Reserve rate cut. In case you don't know, an ETF is a basket of many investments, stocks, bonds, commodities, bundled into a single security that trades on a stock exchange just like an individual stock. Moving on, to Tier 2, we have defense technology companies with medium risk and around 45% upside potential. Geopolitical tensions are high, but the hidden gems aren't the legacy defense contractors. It's the next-gen software and autonomous players. We're talking Palantir for AI defense software, Rocket Lab for space systems, and AeroVironment for tactical drones. Next up, in a higher risk, huge payoff Tier 3, uranium and small modular reactors. Remember that data center energy demand. Tech giants are buying nuclear power directly, but uranium supply cannot scale fast enough. Cameco and Uranium Energy are primed for this demand-supply imbalance. Let's pivot to next-gen biotech. Keep an eye on Viking Therapeutics and gene-editing pioneers like CRISPR Therapeutics. And you can't build next-gen tech without critical minerals. As the US races to secure domestic supply chains, MP Materials, the only operating US rare earth producer. Now, if you want a true speculative moonshot, a lottery ticket for your portfolio, look at quantum computing. Commercial revenue is still years out, but the catalyst is coming in 2026. Companies like IonQ, whose revenue is skyrocketing, are partnering with top hyperscalers. Finally, I asked the AI model to build an ideal portfolio based on the upside potential and risk of the 8 company groups it identified as hidden gems. So, there you have it. This pie chart outlines a strategic 2026 portfolio designed to balance upside potential and investment risk across these selected 8 groups. The allocation is 30% to AI power grid, 15% to defense technologies, 15% to nuclear energy, 10% to liquid cooling for data centers, 10% to critical minerals, 10% to biotech, 5% to quantum computing, and 5% to broad ETFs like IJR, which could benefit from Federal Reserve rate cuts. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into AI in investing. And remember, AI can give you the data, but you have to do the research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.